Oh, hell no.
How much? This way yet?
4 inches. That way.
It needs to go up above that then.
Pull it down. Pull it down.
Alright, buddy.
Man, I swear some shit fucking turds come rolling out of this fucking sewer tank. I'm gonna fucking lose it. Whoa! There you go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Trying to get away with not taking it out.
Yeah, you got to cut all that out.
Well, see, I'm not wanting to fuck with this paint. I wish that lip didn't have to be all the way around that, but it does.
What's it?
This.
Oh, yeah.
Because it molds together right there, so you gotta leave that.
Yeah.
Try doing what, Steve? What you said?
I don't know, see if we can finag it in there, Bobby.
Right there, right where it needs to go. Oh, this piece. On the inside here?
Yeah.
What, like right here, Steve? Sir, got you?
Yeah.
Get the fuck! God! It's sewer ran out of gas! The fuck all gonna be puking! You got that on video?
I did. It's good, Bob. You got sugar.
Got that on video?
Oh, God. I quit. Oh. Golly. No. What's that bracket go to? Yeah, I'm measured down to 34, 134. There we go. Stick screw in that bitch. This one? Yeah.
How much is that shit a sheet?
$35.
Yeah. I'd maybe do the ceiling.
It's bought now. I mean, you
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah, put it in.
Ain't no taking it back. They don't return nothing. That's what I was saying.
When we said that?
Yeah, he take it.
Yeah.
It might go in the camper that he's gonna build, but whole strip.
Yeah. Well, where's the AC going? Right here?
No.
Here?
Back one, yep.
Right here?
That's what we had talked about, right?
That's fine. We're cooking here, right? So you need to have a light.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to
8
have
footer?
Buku lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'd say we need to get a. You got a, how big's the biggest metal bit you got?
I got big bits.
Big enough to put a piece of wire through? Conduit? Cause I go through the center of that. Whatever one we take to go down.
Hey Josh,
Yeah.
we'll have to run a wire for this hot water heater also.
Okay. We gotta make sure I'm got everything in there before we start putting walls up.
take it out before I mount it.
Cut it off, Bob, with a fine-tooth blade right at the top of that flange.
Right here?
Yep. That's exciting. Something finally accomplished.
What are you doing, Big Daddy?
Hey, Marty, getting some work done.
Getting some work done.
What are you doing? Let's wire this thing before we forget steps.
That's how I do.
No more, Bob.
Woo!
That's hot and piss.
Isn't it?
Ah, good job, Steve.
Hey, thank you, bud.
That's good job.
Got the cover on the air conditioner. Got some wiring done today. We got some frame for the walls. Got wiring everywhere. Got a lot accomplished today. Got the air conditioner ready to go in. So this side's basically ready to frame up, ready to sheet up. This side here, we gotta frame up and put it all together. So that's what we did today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next week.